Today we are venturing into the intriguing world of DIY franchises. So sit back, relax, and let's take a deep dive into what a DIY franchise is all about. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can help you make more money while saving time. You see, when we talk about a DIY franchise, we are essentially talking about a business model that lets you be in the driver's seat, dictating how you want to run your franchise, with a bit of a homely touch to it. Now, before we delve deeper, let's sprinkle in some intriguing statistics to give you a broader perspective. Did you know that over 60% of franchises in the United States have been operating for more than 6 years? Yeah, it's a business model that has stood the test of time, providing stability and a proven track record for success. Moving on, let's talk about the heart of a DIY franchise. It embodies the spirit of do-it-yourself, allowing you to take a tried and tested business model and add your personal touch to it. It gives you the freedom to integrate your personality and values into the business while still benefiting from the support and structure of a franchise system. You're not just following a blueprint, you're adding your personal brushstrokes to create a masterpiece. And guess what? In the realm of franchises, nearly 70% of franchises reach profitability within 2 years. It's an encouraging statistic, and a DIY franchise can potentially be a part of this promising picture. By adopting the DIY approach, you might carve out a niche that is both profitable and reflective of your unique style and approach. At its core, a DIY franchise is like blending the best of both worlds. The robust framework of a franchise coupled with the creativity and ingenuity of a startup. It's like having a canvas with the basic outline drawn, and you get to paint it with colors that resonate with you. Now you might be wondering, what makes it so special? Well, the charm lies in its adaptability. You are not just adopting a one-size-fits-all model, but tweaking it to suit your community, your market, and your vision. This customization can potentially be a game changer, setting you apart from the others in the fray. And here's a little nugget of information to mull over. Did you know that franchises contribute to over $2 trillion to the US economy? That's right, $2 trillion. It's a gigantic market with immense potential, and a DIY franchise can be your golden ticket to tap into this thriving ecosystem. For more information, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what makes you interested in learning about DIY franchises? Leave your comment below and let us know what inspired you. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business information designed to save you money and time.